what is the meaning of community? Community is a group of people, three or more than people living in a same geographical area with rules and regulation and values with common identity is called community. Understand? The group of people, three or more than three people living in a particular geographical area with the rules and regulation, culture and their own values and common identity is called the community. Community is the unit of society. Is it? First we can see the family. Family, the group of the family is called the community. Is it? So the group of the community is called the society. So likewise we can see that what is the unit of the society. Understand this? Is here the community is supplies, it produces and supplies the goods and services to the people who live in the same territory. Understand? So here we can see that it is a unique consumption and production we can see in this community. And also if these communities are fulfill the basic needs like the food, the shelter, water to its community members. So, on the basis of various things, we divide the community into the many more parts, is it? So, what are those? Is on the basis of education, on the basis of lifestyle, on the basis of rules and regulation, is it? On the basis of population, we divide the community into the many more parts. So, let us discuss about that. First one is a nomadic society, second one is the tribal society, and third one is a village society, and afterwards is the urban society. We divide the many more types, is it? Let us discuss about that. It is nomadic society. Is a nomadic society is a type of society. It is the different from the other society. Is it? The people wandering one place to another place for what it is earning something. Is it? Earning something is called what it is nomadic family. Nomadic means they are all wandering one place to another place for earning. Is it? So they are doing the what is rag picking, afterwards repairing the baskets, is it? And taming is the main work of these people. They are all wandering one place to another place. Understand? What is wandering? This wandering is separate from the migration. Migration is different, but wandering is different from the migration. Is it? So we call this type of the wandering, this is the nomadic society in the various name. What is this? It is in the Hindi we call Sanchari in Hindi, then Pakkan in Tamil, and after Tenduli in the Tulu, then afterwards Tirugupattu in the Telugu, then afterwards Tenti in the Malayalam, and Nomas in Latin, and Nomad in English. Then sometimes we call it is Uchalya and Gypsy. Understand? We call this what is nomadics in the sense these community people in the varieties of name, likewise the Sanchari, Pakkan, Tenduli, Tirugupattu, Tenti, Nomas, Nomad, and also the Uchalya and Gypsy. Understand this? So the people, the group of the people is wandering one place to another place for what purpose? For hunting and also the gathering, then fishing, for trade purpose. Is it? They are all wandering one place to another place is called the nomadic community. Okay, nomadic community have their varieties of name in the varieties of language. Is it? Is this nomadic society have its own characters? Let us discuss about that. What are the characteristics nomadics have? This wandering community have its own characteristics. First one is nomadism is a life. Is it? Nomadism is a life. They are wandering one place to another place. For what purpose? For the purpose of earning money. Is it? They are wandering one place to another place for the purpose of earning money. So they are hunting, fishing and taming the animals, and they will start to exhibit the animals. Afterwards they will exhibit the local medicines also. Understand? So this is the work of nomadics. By this only they are living. Understand? By this only they are earning. Afterwards they will lead their life. For example, we can see that the taming of the animals is a casual. Here we can see in the nomadic family. Then we can see the exhibition of the animals like the monkeys. Then afterwards the snakes. Is it? And bears we can see. Is it? So these peoples are also they exhibit the folk culture also sometime. Then afterwards we can see that the exhibition of the local medicines. Is it? So through that they are earning the money. So it is the life. Nomadism is the life for these people. These people are not to stay any place. They are moving one place to another place after earning something on that place. Okay, then temporary shelter. These people are not have the permanent shelter. These people are not have the permanent shelter because of lack of education and insecurity in the economic. Is it? So for that purpose they are not get the residence in the any place permanently. Then afterwards they are wandering one place to another place. So they get shelter in the outside of the village and under the tree, and in the public places we can see this type of the nomadic people. Understand this? Yes, then the main work of these people is rack picking, afterwards repairing the buckets. Is it? We can see this in the nomadism is a life. On that point we can see that what it is. These people are rack pickings, after repairing the buckets. Is it? Afterwards taming the animals, exhibiting the animals, selling the small fancy goods. We can see in this nomadism is for life. Is it? They are using these things for their lead their life. Is it? And temporary shelter, we can already know that these people are not have the permanent shelter. Then afterwards they are wandering one place to another place because of lack of education and insecurity in the economy. Then afterwards they live in the under the tree outside of the village, afterwards in the public places. Then no investment, in a sense zero investment jobs. The people are, we can see they have the economic insecurity. They are not having the permanent earning. Is it? So we can see the zero investment. Likewise they are doing the animal husbandry, then afterwards the fishing, rag picking, then repairing the buckets, taming, exhibition of the folk culture, then after folk culture, then afterwards we can see that circus we are seeing. Is it? So likewise there is a zero investment job they are doing. Then universal being, they are the universal being and they have the extremely they believe on what is natural invisible forces. Is it? In this natural invisible forces means what it is? Air, is it? Water. So likewise afterwards sometimes they all believe in the black magic also. Okay, but they have the extraordinary knowledge in the nature. Understand this? So this is about the universal being. Then different mother tongue. So we can see this nomadic society have different races. These different races have their varieties of mother tongue, in a sense varieties of knowledge. So these are all the characteristics of nomadics. Due to the COVID-19 your syllabus is reduced, so you have only this topic, that is the nomadic society and meaning of the community. Remaining the tribal community, village community and urban community is reduced in your syllabus. I will give the own notes on this lesson. I think you all understand about the community and nomadic society.